One bright and cheerful morning, little Samantha bounced out of bed, her head bubbling with questions. Her mind whirled with wonder. How do rockets zoom into space? Why do rainbows splash across the sky? Are ants really tiny, strong superheroes? Before she could ponder any further, a shining object on her bookshelf began to wobble. With a spectacular leap, a glittery notebook somersaulted onto her desk. "Well, hello, Samantha," it chirped. "I am Professor Scribbles, a notebook that's bursting with science secrets. Join me for a day of giggles and discoveries." Samantha's mouth dropped open. Not every day a notebook spoke. "Oh, wow, I'd love to learn all your science secrets," she exclaimed. Professor Scribbles whirled his sparkling pages. Suddenly, the room spun, and Samantha found herself in a miniature tornado simulator. Swirls of wind zipped around her as Professor Scribbles declared, "Did you know that tornadoes spin faster than the speediest race cars?" Samantha tried spinning herself, her pigtails flying. "I'm dizzy! That is fast!" "Tornadoes swirl because wind and air pressure do a whirly dance," said Professor Scribbles. "Mother Nature hosts the wildest spin class." With a pop, Samantha landed by a shimmering fountain. Professor Scribbles smiled. "Rainbows appear when beams of sunlight sneak through raindrops." "Is that magic?" Samantha asked, eyes wide. "It's even better, science," Professor Scribbles twinkled. "Light splits into 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, Roigbiv." Samantha gazed at the rainbow, naming the colors as a misty arc painted itself above the fountain. Suddenly, Samantha gave a teeny yelp. She was tiny, no bigger than an ant. Madam Ant bustled past, hauling a leaf 3 times as big as herself. "Ants can carry 50 times their own weight," explained Professor Scribbles. Samantha tried picking up a pebble. It felt like a boulder. "I'd need lots of muscles to do that." The ants waved their feelers proudly. "Even small ones can achieve mighty things," the notebook said. Back at normal size, Samantha picked up a shiny balloon and rubbed it on her head. Her hair rustled and shot up in wild spikes. "Static electricity!" shouted Professor Scribbles. "Tiny charges race around, pulling and pushing. It tickles your hairs and gives you a giggly shock." Samantha peered in a mirror, her hair a funny mess. "Science makes me look silly." As the adventure faded, Professor Scribbles whispered, "The greatest science secret is inside your head. Your brain is a supercomputer, thinking, learning, dreaming, and creating." Samantha beamed. "My brain is a superhero. Can it keep discovering?" "Absolutely," said Professor Scribbles. "Curious kids make science sparkle." Samantha waved goodbye, fizzy with excitement and ready to explore the world. She zipped downstairs, brimming with ideas for new experiments. "Science is everywhere," she declared to her cat, who wandered by, "and there's something fun for every kid to discover." Let's remember Samantha's favorite science facts for curious minds. Tornadoes twirl faster than race cars. Rainbows shimmer when sunlight bends through droplets. Ants lift 50 times their weight. Static electricity makes your hair go wild. And your brilliant brain is always learning new things. Curiosity really is the magic ingredient in every experiment. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!